Hello and welcome back to our Understanding Mangrove series. I'm Zetty and I'm here to talk to you about this multi-purpose cleaner. FR1715 is part of our EcoMix Super Concentrates range and bears the Climate accreditation. This is a fast-acting, all-purpose cleaning concentrate for use on hard surfaces as well as stainless steel. This product here is a low foaming formulation and it really excels at removing that grease, grime and dirt from floors, walls, tiles and non-porous surfaces. To use this product you can use it as a mopping solution or use it with a spray and cloth and work into the surface. Then simply wipe clean and it will leave behind a pine fragrance. Now let's move on and see how we dose this product.
To use an EcoMix Super Concentrate, remove the cap carefully in a push and twist motion. Squeeze the container gently to allow the chemical to rise up through the tube and fill the reservoir. Release the bottle and allow the liquid in the chamber to settle. This is now an accurate 10 ml dose of Super Concentrate. To use this in a trigger spray, fill the trigger spray with water first, then add one 10 ml dose of your chosen EcoMix Super Concentrate. Replace your trigger head securely. Then rotate the bottle twice to ensure that the solution is mixed. To create 5 litres of solution, fill a bucket with 5 litres of water first. Then take your EcoMix and add 2 10 ml doses of your chosen EcoMix Super Concentrate to the bucket.
Simply scan the QR code on this product or head to www.clenasupplies.co.uk for more information. There is also access on the website to specification sheets, safety data specifications, bug kill rates and chemical safety assessments where it applies to products. If you have any other questions, please reach out to the team. Thank you.